Hey guys, Marisa at KitchenTableStamper.com. I'm so excited to share with you what's cooking in the Kitchen Table Stamper online classroom for August. So check you out. Let me just start really quick. Is also available to local stampers. You can RSVP through July 30th, and it's going to be held on August 12th in my Rolling Meadows home studio, 6:30 p.m. And I do have some seats available. So if you'd like to join us here, just shoot me an email. Let me know that you want to join us for Check You Out here in my Rolling Meadows home studio, and I will send you a PayPal link. You can use the PayPal link to pay. Your payment is your RSVP. So we've talked about the option here. Now there are two options to go for Check You Out. You can do Check You Out in the online classroom only. And so I won't actually physically mail you anything. Instead, you'll get an email the week of August 19th. You'll get an email, and in that email, you'll have links to a private page. And on the private page, you'll find full color photos of all 5 projects. You'll find step-by-step video instructions for each project. And below the video, you'll find a clickable link where you can pull up a PDF project sheet for each project. And on that PDF project sheet, you'll find a full color photo, measurements, step-by-step instructions, and a shopping list for each project. So you won't be by yourself in the online classroom. I'll be walking with you through these projects step by step. The online classroom is great for somebody who is outside the United States. It's great for a demonstrator or somebody who really loves their demonstrator and wants to order all the products through her but would love to take the class. The online classroom is great for anybody who has just all the Stampin' Up! Product they could need, but just wants some inspiration. It's $15. There's another option. Option number 2 for the online classroom includes everything you see here. All right, so these are the 5 projects. Let me slide those aside for just a minute. If you take the online classroom to go with the stamps and the project kit, it's $28, okay? $8 priority shipping if required. If you're in the Chicago area and you can do a porch pickup, we can arrange for a pickup instead of the shipping. $8 USPS priority shipping if required. You'll receive the Check You Out photopolymer stamp set. You'll also receive all of the project kits. So you can see here, everything is embossed for you. Your punching is done, your die cutting is done. It includes the ribbons and all of the accessory items that you need. So in the case of our little bookmark, you'll get the jumbo paper clip. And in the case of our Post-it pad, there's a fun little mini pen and a Post-it pad. Everything you need to complete the 5 projects, plus envelopes for your cards. The stamp set is $28, $8 additional postage if required, and you can RSVP for this class by emailing Marisa at KitchenTableStamper.com. Let me know that you'd like to take Check You Out to go, and I'll send you a PayPal link. When you get that PayPal link, follow up with your payment. That completes your registration, and look out for your package in the mail and an email with the online classroom, because the online classroom is also included when you get the kit, of course. Look out for the email the week of August 19th and your package via USPS postal service. All right, you guys, if you've got any questions about Check You Out, about taking classes with Kitchen Table Stamper in the online classroom, Stampin' Up, kitchenettes, anything that I can do to help you stay crafty, email me, Marisa at KitchenTableStamper.com. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you in the online classroom.